This video will help you attract more luck into your life. And should you win something big, just remember where you watched this video. Nin explains, get lucky, attracting more luck into your life. Everyone knows someone who is extremely lucky. They seem to land on their feet no matter what bad stuff happens to them. They could fall over in the street and land in a big pile of money. Don't you just hate that? And you wonder sometimes, how is it possible to even be that lucky? Now, luck isn't a tangible thing that you can hold in your hands or buy from a shop. So if you do get that gypsy lady coming round to try and sell you Lucky Charms, just tell her to f*** off. Believe it or not, guys, luck is actually a mindset. You see, lucky people are generally positive, they're generally optimistic, they generally take their opportunities when they arise, and they generally believe they are, whether they're consciously aware of it or not. Now, on the flip side, unlucky people are generally negative, they're generally pessimistic, they're generally quite skeptical about the opportunities that come to them, and they either don't believe in luck, or they believe that they're unlucky. Now, it doesn't matter which way you think, whether you believe you're lucky or not. The chances are, you're probably right. Luck is all about your approach to life. So let me ask you, which one would you rather be? And yes, it's a skill that you can develop in only a few minutes per day. Before I show you though, it's not the same technique as the one that most men are thinking of. That's another video, by the way. And it's not a video about how to sing like Pharrell Williams, and he's awesome. It's a simple mind programming technique that you can use to attract more luck into your life. Great, how do I get lucky? I want you to close your eyes now and imagine a time where you felt lucky. I want you to picture into your minds what it is that you were doing. Maybe you won big in a casino one night, a contest on the radio, a competition somewhere perhaps. But whatever it is, I want you to close your eyes and imagine what you saw. See what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel how good you felt. Now, I want you to make the colours big, bright and bold, I want you to make the sounds loud, and I want you to make the feeling strong. That's it. And I want you to take another time now whereby you felt lucky. See what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel how good you felt. Once again, make the colours big, bright and bold, make the sounds loud, make the feeling strong. And I want you to ramp up the feelings and repeat the process over and over and over again until you're absolutely glowing with a lucky feeling. You should be feeling great right about now. Feel lucky, feel great. Do this every day if you can, and notice your luck change for the better. Nin, I'm struggling to imagine a time where I was ever lucky. Make something up. Pretend you've just won the lottery. Imagine in your mind that you've checked every single number and you've hit every single one of them. Imagine jumping around your living room, shouting wildly. Imagine collecting that check and spraying champagne all over everyone. The idea is to generate that lucky feeling so that you can use that in your life. Whether it's real or not is irrelevant. I want you to generate the feeling which will produce the luck in your life. Come on, Nin. This is nonsense, surely. Okay, well, you think like that. But let me tell you something, if you do think like that, then it'll never work for you. Like I said to you before, whether you believe you are or you aren't, you're probably right. If you don't believe in ghosts, you'll never find one. If you don't believe in Donald Trump, well, who does? Guys, you've got nothing to lose. It doesn't cost you anything. Why not give it a go? If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. You'll be able to download my free ebook shortly, right here as of the 1st of May. And you'll also be able to follow me on social media, right there. On a closing note, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we manufacture our own luck in life. The question is, do you feel lucky? Huh? Do you? They're generally quite skeptical about and spraying champagne all over everyone. I wonder if this video actually helps somebody win the lottery. Obviously, if it does, let me know. Big shout out to my guy Pharrell Williams. If you're watching this, love your music, pal. Appreciate a shout out.